Artist for Love of Cebu, award-winning international costume designer, a fashion designer, pageant enthusiast, King of Cebu mentor, and a beauty queen maker. Ladies and gentlemen, Malaika Llamas. Our fourth judge, with over 20 years of experience in broadcast journalism at the GMA Network, he is a respected media professional known for his credible reporting and strong voice in both traditional and digital media. He is the columnist behind Lapit at Banat News, The Freeman, and a verified digital content creator reaching over 1 million followers across social media platforms. A Hall of Fame awardee of the Globe Media Excellence Awards, and a back-to-back International Justice Awards winner. He is widely